All right, check this out. I've never seen this slot before. I probably walked by it, just didn't realize it. But it's literally a race car seat. My wife's hanging out with me. So anyways, I have no idea what to expect at all. I'm not sure. It's got a steering wheel, it's got spin buttons. Put $200 in there. There is no pedals. I know it said something about get free gold something for to go into a race. So those are, oh, okay. So I got that in there. So do we actually just, okay, so I just push the spin button for now. I'm not until I have no idea what it's doing. Wild Barrage. What's that mean?
You mean bear? Barrage or bear?
Okay, I have no idea. It pays so weird, right? There's speakers in my ears.
Oh, yeah.
All right, is that a spin button right there? You can push that one. I'll just hold this. So do I actually get to use the steering wheel in a race? That's what I'm curious. What a weird game. It's got some bonus pool thing going on up there. I'm not sure. Doesn't have a shifter. And like my wife said, no pedals.
Has a charger.
It's got a phone charger on the side. Nice.
USB port.
So it's a slot machine mixed with video game. What happened? What we got those? I don't get it.
We got 3 trophies.
Nice. I'll take 3 trophies. I just want to race. It's weird how it pays you. Like, why does it not just? It's not like a normal slot machine where it just constantly counts. What? I mean, I'll take it. Diesel line hit, I guess.
Turn it up, but it says it's all the way up.
I think all it does is it turns up the speakers in my ears.
Oh, sorry, you want to do that?
I like this little guy right here.
This supposed to be a dog.
All right, get another one of those blue things. Want 3 of them, right?
I don't know.
Or are they just wild? I don't know. Why does it pay like $1 at a time though? It's so weird.
Outcome affected by skill. What does that even mean?
So it's affected by skill. So the better driver you are, the bigger bonus you're gonna get.
I mean, you get to pick your driver.
Come on, let's get us to a race. All right, $2. Come on, give us the third one of those. Oh wait, what? So that was only $4.50, not even our bet back. Thought it was gonna be cooler than that.
That was quite simple. We haven't even seen any gold racers.
I know, I've just seen the bronze race, yeah. Come on, gold race. Oh, maybe that's what it is, that gold coin. You gotta get 3 of those.
Oh, it showed a picture.
That one right there.
It showed a picture of a girl that said gold race underneath it.
Oh, did it?
Bet more, who knows?
Well, I mean, there's only one more bet level, $10.
Go.
I'm just too legit to quit, baby.
Too legit to quit, Did we get a race?
I don't know. I figured you're probably gonna want me to hold it.
This is Bronze Wild race. Hey, it's so weird. Just spin it faster.
Me?
No, just I hate how it counts up at $1 at a time.
Nope, you're not racing.
Oh darn, no race. I want a race. That's why I sat here so I can use this steering wheel. Wow, that's worth that much? If you push the spin button, does it go faster? I'm just wondering if it's, next time it does the counting of money, push the spin, I want to see if it ends it. You know, like a lot of games, you can push it again and it will just stop it with the max amount or how much you get paid. Come on, gold coins. No. When it counts the money, it's not counting the money. Oh my goodness. What a crazy game.
Silver now. Oh, there's silver racers.
Oh, you see silver ones
Two
out
of
of
them. See?
Oh yeah, you're right. Starbucks, we're advertising for them obviously, because it's a nice glare in the camera of the Starbucks symbol. It doesn't show up on the screen at all when we look at it, but if you look at if you look at look at the screen, it's right there. Starbucks is right there. It's funny. I just noticed it. I don't know if I said at the beginning of the video this is at New York, New York. If I did not, it's in this corner, obviously across from Starbucks. Well, darn! Now it's just started taking.
Right.
It was letting us play for quite a while. Not gonna let me race. $1.50. That's all.
Looks like you throw your money away playing this game. One more spin.
Yeah, this could be it. All right, well, I am not chasing this. There's $1. Oh, it actually switched to the dollar for us to let us know that there's $1. That's funny. It's like, hey, you can spend your last $1 if you want.
Now hit it.
Yeah, hit it now, see if it stops. So $5. All right, so we can go back to $5 and do one final spin of $5. Oh, we got 2 of the bronze. You can get 3 though. Now it's down to $1. Okay, one more $1, just back and forth. All right, that is it. Okay, I'm not gonna keep chasing just to be able to try to do this race, but if you guys want to find it and give it a shot, here it is at New York, New York, across from Starbucks. On to another one.
Oh, there's 2.
All right, here we are. Came into the Park High Limit room this morning. It's like, I just wanted to get a drink before I get my morning going. And it was like, all right, I'll put $100 in pinball without recording, of course, duh. First hit, I got single bar. So that's why I'm at 170 right now because I pushed it for the second time. You got pinball back to back, decent hits. So let's see what this pinball is. Oh, 10. Come on. This is one with the crazy speaker. It's been out of service yesterday, but I got to open this morning. It's like, okay, I got to try it. 40 on my second one. That would definitely help make up for that 10. Average amount to be 25. Come on. Oh, no, not 10 again. We get back to 40. All right, one more. One more, please. Hit the mighty 100. All right, we'll take the 25. So it averaged, no, that's because it's 5 shots. Not bad though, so we averaged 20 each on it. Well, we definitely gotta do some backup spins on that. It's gonna be a short video though. I'm only gonna push it a few more times because I am getting my drink and I gotta go record on a couple other slots. And then I'm off to breakfast. I am hungry. All right, that's it. I put in $100. Gonna pull out 610. Very happy with that. Thanks for that short little video. Appreciate the support so much. Let's go Handpay.